In a world oftentimes governed by unpredictability and financial mirages, it's easy to understand the allure of old-school land. After all, A, it has proven itself as a consistent symbol of wealth and power all over the world, from European lords to American settlers. B, it's tangible, especially important in a world of derivatives and quote-unquote artificial wealth. C, its track record as a hedge against inflation is robust, as you definitely can't just conjure it out of thin air. For example, the returns of farmland have been more than double compared to average inflation rates during high inflation years. D, its track record as a hedge against other calamities such as market crashes is also quite solid. While the S&P 500 lost roughly half its value after the dot-com bubble, farmland generated 7%. The same way, it also outperformed US Treasuries as well as shares during the Great Recession. E, it has cash flow generation potential, even if it isn't as straightforward as with developed properties. Numbers depend on the property type, from 3-figure average US cropland rents to 6-7 figures and beyond for commercial land leases in prime locations. F, it comes with lower maintenance costs and hassle compared to developed properties, and a lower property tax burden as well. Of course, there are also cons involved, such as 1. Land being out there, so to speak, as opposed to assets which can be hidden, such as gold coins or bullion, so the privacy dimension. 2. It not exactly being portable, so in the event of, let's say, war or dramatic regime changes, which are very unlikely in the USA, it's not uncommon for people to be forced to leave their land holdings behind. 3. Land not being as easy to liquidate as, let's say, stocks, which can be sold instantly. After drawing the line, there is room for land ownership goals in pretty much every portfolio, with it being difficult to find assets with this unique balance between scarcity, utility, and staying power. This video has been sponsored by Land of Land, America's premier land wholesaler. Visit landofland.com to find out how purchasing land can be as simple as finalizing an online transaction. With over 2,000 parcels from which to choose, Land of Land will help you acquire parcels that fit with your individual objectives.